What's up guys, Steve from Digital Unraveled here, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can do the Barbie Bratz or fairy trend on TikTok that's taking the app by storm right now. So we're going to be making use of the shapeshift filter. So all you need to do to get the shapeshift filter is you can go out of the TikTok camera and then tap on the discover tab there next to the home button. Then in the top search bar you just want to type shape shift. That's going to pop up there. You can see it says effects and then shape shift, but if you're not seeing it over there, you can scroll down and you can see different videos using the shape shift filter, and you can tap on any one of them, and then you can see above the person's username it says shape shift. Now the shape shift filter has been rolled out to pretty much everyone at this point, so you should be able to find it. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on shape shift. Now before I do that, you do need to have this specific image on your phone of a Barbie, a Bratz, or a fairy, and I'll link this image down in the description so you can just go ahead and download that. But make sure you have this image in your camera roll before you go ahead and go into the shapeshift filter. So you can also add it to your favorites there at the top, or you can press the record button at the bottom to go ahead and do it. So right now it says I need to upload that image that I just showed you on my camera roll, so I'm going to go ahead and select it. This is the image and this is what it does. It shows you which character you will be. So apparently I will be a Barbie. So let me know in the comments which character you got. But that is just the preview. If you want to go ahead and actually record your video, what you need to do is hold down the record button. And then you will have the effect recorded, and then you can press the tick mark at the bottom right hand corner, and there's your video right here. You can add different effects, voice effects. Most people just add a music, or you could add some text in the beginning saying, do I look like a Barbie, a Bratz, or a fairy? Once you've done that, tap on next and then go through the posting process, and that is how you do the trend. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more TikTok trends. Take care.